cardboard circle and add a cute spider face on it. Now time to make its legs and blow on it through a straw to make it move. This is so cool! Look how cute my DIY tablet is. Let me teach you how to make one. Cover a piece of paper with clear tape. Now cut out a shape like this. Add the tape layer on top. And don't forget the details. What time is it? I don't know how to read time, Mom. Help. Let's use this apple for the craft. Draw the watch shape on it and cut it out like this. I love it, Mom! Look, I'm gonna pop this balloon. What do you have in mind, Mom? Ah, you're making a balloon mattress. This is so fun! And you can roll inside of it. Thank you, Mom. Hey, Mom, what are you hiding there? You are eating fruits without me. Well, here is some slime for you. Haha, I got you. I want to scream very loud. Wow, what is that? Look, they are spinning. Use paper cups to make such a craft. And add your favorite characters on top. I don't need that, Bach. But we can use it to make something fun. Cut out star shapes like this. And now you've got a fun stencil. Wow, so cool. Look at my bubble, Mom. Now it's time for an experiment. Use vinegar and baking soda. And blow some bubbles. Look, it's levitating. I wish I had a pet fish. Look what she is doing and repeat. Wow, so cool. Fruit Ninja. It's not working. Mommy has a solution. And now it's a watermelon. Magnet craft can save the day. My stomach hurts. Doctor has an idea. Learn organs together. Brain, lungs, trachea, heart, liver, stomach, kidneys, intestines. This is all so interesting. Wow, so many sodas. I have an idea. And you made a snowman soda dispenser. Look what I have here. This looks so cute and colorful. Draw a painting on a piece of paper and cover it with tape. Follow what I am doing. Now you can draw on it. These are my friends from inside out. I love painting. And the most fun part, transfer it on paper. You can do it with any drawing. And with a star too! Oh no, Pikachu. Now the vase is broken. How do we fix it, Mom? Add some toys and you are done. So easy and cool. Haha, look, my phone case is a slipper. My mom did not notice me playing. Whoa, it's spinning so cool. Use paper and draw funny characters on them. Now you will need some thicker paper and cut it out like this. Add your drawing inside and here you have it. Check it out! Let's outline my shadow to make a drawing. It looks like Barbie. Let's color it with bright colors. Look how cute it turned out. Look, I'm inside the game. Let's collect some coins. Just kidding, it's all my imagination. I can teach you how to make that. This is so much fun. And be careful, don't drop the balloons. Well, we can still use them for a craft. You will need some glue and it's ready. Now place each ball in its own basket and learn colors. Oh no, I spilled the juice. Mom is smart and knows how to fix it. She will show you how to make a craft out of plastic cups. Glitter is always a good idea. Blow into the straw to make a glitter miracle. What a cute emoji balloon. And it inflates when you press on it. It's such a fun way to learn emotions. Use baking soda and some vinegar to create such a cool craft. Now all that's left is to draw a face on it. Whoa, these colors are so bright. And you can use them to build fun towers. Make sure it can balance. Yay, I made it work. Do you see that too? I wonder how it works. Let's find out. Paint your paper in rainbow colors and use crayon or a candle to draw on top of it. Now paint it over with dark paint and look at the result. Look, I'm just like Spider-Man. And there is web all over the room. Be careful not to touch it. Mission completed! Oh no, my bag handle broke. I know a way to fix it. Customize it with your name. And other cool details too. Wow, I love it! It's so fun jumping on the bed! Oh no, all of my toys are on the floor. Let's make a fun craft! Use a cardboard box and a plastic bag. Place your toys on top and start playing! Try to reach the target! So easy and fun! Hi there! Let's make a cool cardboard house. Use a big box and draw something fun on it. And you can color it in too. And it's ready. Let's go inside.